What's up, everybody? How are you guys doing? And welcome back to Marketing with Dom. Today, we're going to talk about the number one overall strategy for not safe for work content creators that you need to put into your mind if you really want to reach a full-time content creator position. Cue the intro. Let's go. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Let's go. Yo, if you don't know me, my name is Marketing with Dom, the number one OnlyFans marketing trainer in the business. I've trained hundreds of creators in the full-time content creation and thousands of creators to figure out how to create a secondary income, right? Because some people want to do it full-time, some people just want a side income that gives them a little extra cheddar guap, you know what I'm saying, in their bank account. But let's start off by talking about this, right? And this is the concept of not safe for work content. No one truly wants you on their platform unless you're selling their direct content. This is what I mean by that. Anything that's social to the public eye, they truly do not want adult content on there in any manner or close to are saying you sell that there. Why? Because all platforms like Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Facebook, all these platforms spend and make most of their money on advertisements. Some people are like, well, Twitter works. Yeah, I love it. But you got to understand something about Twitter. Twitter puts you in a category once you start actually posting adult style content where you only seen by people who turn off their policy. Which is really not that many people who turn off their policy. I actually didn't even know it existed until I got into the industry. I was like, yo, what is this Twitter thing that's over here that everybody's popping on? Yo, that's crazy. What? I didn't even know it existed. So that means most people do not know it existed, do not know how to turn that off of their actual Twitter to actually see this kind of content. So as soon as you post adult content, they put you in that box and you're no longer in the public eye and able to grow at the mass rate that you could grow if you did something for me. Okay, and this is what I mean. This is the overall concept that we use, which is you need to use something else as the front employee. Maybe you're a dancer, a good content creator, a character, you like to change clothes, you like to do fashion, you like to do makeup, whatever that is, to grow that perception as high as you possibly can, no matter what you do on the back end for content. Because social media doesn't want to see it because advertisements don't want to be next to it and people don't want to see their kids see it. So there's a very small niche there. And therefore, if everything's not tracked and guaranteed, they know what profile can see what profile and all the shit, they just got to slow you down, period. And that's what they do. They end up slowing you down, period. So the overall concept is for you to pick something that you really want to use to drive your character, your creativity, right? People see social media. It's not real, my friends. Like, I always think about actually studying on social media, but I don't because, you know, we did our little tarot reading. Me and my wife be liking little stuff. And they say, listen, don't share your success with people because somebody trying to stab it in. So I'm going to just say it like this. Even me are very toned down when it comes down to having an actual business attached to an actual platform because I do not want to attract, right? Because I could put this all on social media, people who are money hungry. Because if they're just like, yo, he's making a bunch of money, I want to make money, I get a bunch of users, abusers, and people who technically don't really want to put in the work but want to make a bunch of money. So I stay broke and humble, like they say. Okay, so the thing that you have to understand is the concept that you put out on the social media side. You don't want to question your content. You don't want to be like, yo, is it bad? Is it good? You know, you want to always be like, yo, this is good, but it may get flagged, right? Like, we know this is good. This is perfectly standard, but it may get flagged, right? And you got to distribute that content out there. Secondly, right, that's the overall concept. The second thing is you also have to promote yourself in the not-for-safe industry. Work with profiles that also give you the ability to post free content. Right, like P-Hub would be like your YouTube channel, and you should post content on there, and you should brand it, and you should have call to actions on there. You should do the same thing with X, you know that one. Just go to people with AKA adults video platforms, upload content. These are all two video places where you can literally build a brand by putting your content out there and creating your own fan base out there. The question you got to realize is, what are you going to promote in your front end? Because there's two sides of marketing. Your front end, social media, fun, look, and then your adult, not safe for work portfolio where you distribute your content every time it gets posted. Because it's like Twitter, Instagram, and stuff like that is like, hey, people will use different platforms, and you want to be found on the platform which they're going to use, right? It makes sense. So the overall concept for not safe for work creators is this. One, I do not put adult content or questionable content across any social media, but I must be consistent in posts and I must put another trait in the front end. Second, create a distribution of the adult social media space and put that out there consistently, branding with a call to action. That's the overall concept. How you execute those things is why my team gets paid a lot of money, because we actually do it, right? And that's why people work for our agencies, because we do it for them. Understand that. But you also have to understand how to do it for yourself at the beginning so that you can actually pay someone to take you to the next level, right? So you already know this. It's your boy, Mark Rodam. If you listen to this, make sure you comment down below. Tell me if you have any ideas, anything else you want me to do as a video. If you liked it, if you didn't like me, let me know in a comment down below. Also, I'll be giving away 2 free spots to my coaching course every single month, which we usually charge anywhere from $300 to $1,000 a month for that. And I can't wait to see you on that side. So please make sure you comment down below. You comment, like, share, follow your boy Marco Rodam. We out. Let's go!